Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to look at the floor and ceiling function. Okay, let's see. The floor function in Excel round a number, the first argument towards 0 to the nearest multiple of the second argument. Okay, that's a bit confusing, but let's use some examples so that we can understand more clearly, right? So the round to price down, to round the price down to the nearest dollar, type in floor, right? And then the number and then round to the dollar, right? So like see, this one doesn't have the decimal, so it's round to the dollar. So when you said floor, that means it's rounded down toward that number, which is the dollar, right? So second argument toward the 0 to the nearest multiple of the second argument, multiple of 1. So that will return $1, right? Let's try to round down to the nearest multiple of 2. Change the second argument to 2, right? So let's say going down here, again floor of B2 round to multiple 2, so this will round it down to 16, right? Because down 6 multiple 2. Oh, what would that return? I would assume 16, but I might be wrong. Okay, 16. Yeah, the rounded multiple 2, not the decimal. To round away from 0, use the ceiling up. Type in ceiling formula, so equal ling, right? And then the price below to 17. So right, so ceiling is gonna be this. So it's B2, comma, and then 17. All right, to round away from 0, use the ceiling function. To type ceiling formula using the price below to 17. The ceiling is 17. There we go. Right, so ceiling 17. Oops, sorry. B1. My bad. Didn't pay attention there. Okay, so type a ceiling formula using the price below to return 18. So again, equal I and ceiling, right? And then where's the value? Value is B1, B1, and round it to 18. So ceiling going up to 18. Right? What would floor B1 5 multiple 5 is gonna return? So B1's here, a multiple of 5. The lower one is gonna be 15, right? Because it's a multiple of 5. What would floor B1 negative 4 returns? Hint, when both arguments of the floor function are negative, the function round the number towards 0. Remember, even though it's called floor, but it's a negative 4. So even though it's called floor, you have a negative, and then you have a negative argument in the second end to round it to, so it's gonna round toward 0. So the next one that's close to the 0 is negative 16, right? Round back up to 0. Negative 16, sorry, negative 16. There we go. Okay, what would ceiling this negative 4 return? This is a bit tricky, right? So ceiling, you're gonna round up, but then because it's a negative and negative, when floor is round towards 0, so ceiling is round away from 0, which is gonna be negative 20. Yeah. So with the floor and the ceiling function, one thing to pay attention is make sure that you test the formula out with real data first to know which way it's rounding. So that before you use it, you don't return, you don't use it before you understand which way it's rounding toward first. So try it out first, test out the formulas or the one that you want to look, see the result, and see if that's really what you're looking for before you use it for other values too. Because sometimes when even though the name says ceiling, which means it might it's supposed to be rounding up, but then in this case it's rounding down because of the negative value here and the negative value here. Okay, so anyway, with that, I'll thank you so much for watching my channel, and please hit the like button and subscribe so that I can bring it to more viewers like you. With that, thank you, and I'll see you next time.